China's poverty alleviation campaign is one of the most remarkable continuing efforts at human development in human history. First of all, the raw result of 850 million people being brought out of poverty, which in terms of the United Nations Sustainable Development 2030 plan, China contributed well more than half, I think it's like 70% of what the whole world was supposed to do. So that's just a remarkable contribution to humanity itself.
China has experimented a lot to find ways to improve economic development, to reduce poverty, and in that process, it's been very successful.
I think China's poverty alleviation program is a model for everybody in the world. I mean, they have really created wonders and they have done a wonderful job. And they have achieved probably more than what they themselves must have expected it. The way they had strategized it was really unique for the world. And their strategy has to be replicated, I think, all over the world.